Cola began its journey in the year 2042. He dreamt of a delicious soft drink that would provide energy, focus, and 120% of the recommended daily value of sugar.
One of the most iconic drinks to video games is Nuka Cola. And thanks to the Fallout cookbook, I can make it at home. To do this, we're going to firstly make a syrup and then combine that syrup with a carbonated water, which will give us the soda. So to make the syrup, we need water, a lemon, lime, an orange. We then need star anise, cardamom, coriander seeds, a cinnamon stick, vanilla, and sugar. We'll combine 3 cups of the sugar with 2 cups of water, then add in the zest of half of a lime, half of a lemon, and half of the orange. Then we'll add in the star stuff, cardamom, coriander seed, and cinnamon stick. We'll then heat this until the sugar is dissolved. While that's heating, we're going to juice half of the orange, lemon, and lime. And then combine it with the vanilla. Now after a bit, the sugar mixture is somewhat cooled. We're going to strain it and add it to this mixture. Then to make our actual soda, we'll add 5 to 7 tablespoons of our syrup and top it off with the sparkling water. Firstly, I do want to point out that the coloring of this might surprise you because it doesn't look like a cola or anything, but that's because I didn't add any browning syrup, which I couldn't really truly figure out what it was, but from what I could tell it's likely that it's just a caramelized brown sugar sort of thing that's usually just used for coloring. And I didn't want to try and make this myself, nor spend the money on aesthetics, so we have this. The flavor should be the same. And speaking of, let's figure out what that flavor is. This one's an easy 10 out of 10 for me. The citrus flavors are there and very refreshing, but then there's like this black licorice element coming from the star anise. But overall, this is a really refreshing drink, and it makes me excited to try out its variations.